Aluminum corrodes a little bit differently, and it looks different, right? So when you think about aluminum, most people that are familiar with metals would be like, well, aluminum doesn't rust. And you're right, you don't see the orange looking nasty rust, but aluminum does still corrode, still oxidizes. Normally when aluminum corrodes, it's kind of a white chalky look. Sometimes there could be some dark spots and black, but most of the time it's a white chalky look. We normally see that when you have aluminum pieces that end up with water in between them. So if you have like a stack of aluminum panels and water gets in between them and just gets to sit, then that's normally when we'll start seeing some corrosion on aluminum. If you just have raw aluminum exposed to the elements and it's outside, has like an aluminum door or aluminum window, but it's just raw with no coating, no clear coat, no anodizing, no powder coating, nothing, that will start to kind of have that white chalky, kind of like it has a little bit of frost on it almost. It just has like a kind of like scum and buildup is what it seems like, but it's white and chalky instead of with steel it's orange rust. And that corrosion is just as detrimental to aluminum as like rust is detrimental to steel. So over time it can really break aluminum down. It's pretty rare to see like holes in aluminum from corrosion. It can happen, but normally there's almost like you have to have some sort of acid mixed in that's really eating away at the aluminum for that to happen. I personally haven't seen a case where like an aluminum railing has a hole in it because it corroded so bad being out in the weather. Aluminum resists corrosion quite a bit better than steel, so you usually just don't get to that point.